Hey guys, Mrs. Morford here. I just wanted to pop on and record you a quick video about we did some graph practice in class, and so I want to show you kind of what graphs we were looking at and ask you some basic questions and then go over it with you. So this first graph here, there's a Google form that goes along with this video, so I'd like you to open that up and answer those questions using these same graphs, and then make sure to turn that in. So exponential versus logistic growth, that's the title of this. Now the questions that I'll ask you are, what is the x-axis? What is the y-axis? Do you see exponential growth? Do you see logistic growth? Can you define carrying capacity? Do you see carrying capacity on this graph? And so those are things that you'll need to be familiar with. Now, remember, your x-axis goes horizontally like this, and your y-axis goes up and down like this, okay? You ask someone, why are you so tall? Okay, why? Y-axis is tall. Then this graph is talking about the carrying capacity in the white-tailed deer population. A couple things to be familiar with here is you want to be sure that you know what carrying capacity means and be able to explain that. So the graph here represents that this population hit carrying capacity about 1988, and then the population decreased, then the population increased over carrying capacity at about 1992, 93, somewhere in there. So there's some questions regarding that as well. Now this one, be careful with these line graphs that have two different variables because there's two y-axis, there's one x-axis, and you got to make sure that you're looking at the right color to represent the correct population. Okay, that's all I have for you right now. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. I'm available. You can text or call, or you can send me an email. Have a great day. Hope to see you soon.